Hello dear students, bird nest, book Active Cloud and page number 15. Okay, bird nest for roof, we will join the dots, 2 dots. Okay, then little bit slant, straight, slant. Now join all these dots. Our roof is ready. Okay, now we will make walls. From there we will take dot and here dot, straight line. Now from here to here we will join the dots also. Okay, now from there to there join. Okay, now straight. Okay, now we need to make window and door for bird. Okay, what we will do for window, we will make a rectangle. Okay, here we will make a oval shape for bird, from where she will get in and out. Okay, this is our bird nest. Okay, now we can draw a bird, circle, eye and eyeball. Now make a beak, and straight, and what from there, okay. Now we need to color the hut, nest. This is our bird nest ready.